Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn a poem that's The Felling of the Banyan Tree by Dilip Chitri. Before I move on, let me give you biographical detail of Dilip Chitri. Dilip Chitri was a teacher, painter, filmmaker and magazine columnist, winner of Sahitya Academy Award. He lived and taught in Ethiopia and USA. He was a bilingual writer, writing in Marathi and English. 1968 collection, an anthology of Marathi poetry and Says Tuka are his translated works. Exile, alienation, self-disintegration and death are major themes in his poetry. His poems reflect a cosmopolitan culture, urban sensibility, use oblique expressions, ironic tones to explore the vicissitudes of urban life. This is the banyan tree. You can look at this tree. It has massive trunk. There are so many aerial roots hanging from this tree. It's very big in size. It's very tall. So this poem is about this banyan tree. Let's move on to the poem. We will go word by word for better comprehension. My father. Whose father? Poet's father. Dilip Chitri's father told the tenant. Who are tenants? Tenants are people who rent a house or property from the owner. In Hindi, we call them kirayedar. So my father, poet's father, told tenants to leave, to go, who lived in the houses surrounding a house on the hill. They were living in the houses surrounding a house on the hill, and their houses had surrounded our house. Our house means poet's house. One by one the structures were demolished. Now one by one the structures, the mansions, the buildings, they were getting demolished. Demolished means here to tear down or destroy completely. They were getting destroyed. Only our own house remained and the trees. Only our own house, it remained. It was not demolished. It was not destroyed. Only poet's house was not destroyed, and the trees were also not destroyed. Trees are sacred, my grandmother used to say. Poet says that his grandmother used to say that trees are sacred. Sacred means they are dear to God. Felling them is a crime, but he massacred them all. So grandmother used to say that trees are divine, they are sacred, they are dear to God. If you cut them out, it will be a crime. But he, poet's father, massacred them all. He ruthlessly killed all the trees. Kill means he cut them down. So in this first slide, let me give you explanation in Hindi. Poet's father told the tenant, किराएदार को बोला जाने के लिए उनके घरों से, और वो all those houses, वो सब घर पोइट के घर के सराउंडिंग में थे on the hill. एक के बाद एक स्ट्रक्चर्स वर डिस्ट्रॉयड, उनको डिमोलिश किया जा रहा था. सिर्फ पोइट्स के फादर का घर बचा हुआ था, सब कुछ ट्रीज बचे हुए थे. एंड पोइट्स ग्रैंडमदर, उनकी दादी बोलती थी कि ट्रीज आर सैक्रेड, बहुत पवित्र होते हैं ट्रीज. डोंट कट देम, इफ यू कट देम इट विल बी अ क्राइम. इट विल बी अ क्राइम। क्राइम मीन्स एक जुर्म होगा अगर आप ये ट्रीज को कट करते हो। बट ही मैसेक्ड देम ऑल। बट पोइट्स फादर व्हाट डिड ही डू, उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने सब ट्रीज को बहुत बुरी तरीके से कट कर दिया। विच वर द ट्रीज, कौन कौन से ट्रीज थे वहां पर। आई विल शो यू बिकॉज दीज आर द नेम्स। शेओगा, Odumber, Neem were all cut down, but the huge banyan tree stood like a problem. I will show you this Shioga tree. This is the image of Shioga tree. Then Odumber, this is the Odumber tree. Odumber tree, remember. Next, Neem. It's very common. You have seen this tree, Neem. This is Neem tree. Were all cut down by the huge banyan tree stood like a problem. They were all cut down. Shioga, Odumber, Neem, उनको बुरी तरीके से काट दिया गया. But the huge banyan tree stood like a problem. But there was huge banyan tree, this huge banyan tree, this one. It stood like a problem because it was not easy to cut it down. इसको काटना बहुत मुश्किल था क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ा है, इसका ट्रंक बहुत बड़ा है, एरियल रूट्स हैं और ये बहुत घना झाड़ है, इसको काटना बहुत बहुत मुश्किल है. Whose roots lay deeper than our lives? Whose roots? This tree's roots, they were deeper than our lives. They were so old that poet says that हमारी lives, हमारी जिंदगी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं थी in past जितनी ये झाड़ की है, ये हजारों साल से होगा. Yes, so whose roots lay deeper than our lives. It means it's very old. ये बहुत पुराना झाड़ है. My father ordered it to be removed, but one day my father ordered the workers who were cutting down the trees. उन्होंने बोला कि इसको भी काट दो, इसको भी हटा दो यहाँ से. The banyan tree was 3 times as tall as a house, but this banyan tree, it was 3 times as tall as a house. हमारा जो घर था उससे 3 गुना ज्यादा लंबा था और बड़ा था ये banyan tree. Its trunk had circumference of 50 feet. Its trunk means इसका जो तना होता है, ये वाला तना, ये it had circumference of 50 feet. It was of 50 feet. If you take circumference, its circle distance around it, it was of 50 feet. See, 50 feet. Its scraggly aerial roots fell to the ground, and these untidy aerial, where they are in the air, these roots, they were falling to the ground. They fell to the ground means they were very long one. They were touching the ground. So स्क्रैगिली अनटाइडी, आपने बरगद का झाड़ देखा होगा, वो कुछ सीक्वेंस में नहीं होते हैं, वो दे आर क्रिस क्रॉस्ड, दे आर अनटाइडी. यस, सो दीज अनटाइडी रूट्स दे फेल टू द ग्राउंड. ये बहुत पुराना झाड़ था. From 30 feet or more, so first they cut the branches. From 30 feet or more, so first they cut. First of all, what did they do? From 30 feet, 30 feet से उन्होंने branches cut करना शुरू किया. They started cutting the branches of this tree, banyan tree, sawing them off for 7 days, and heap was huge. They were sawing them off. Saw means ari, using a saw to cut. So what is that? This is the saw by which they were cutting that trees. ari से उसको काट रहे थे. तो what did they do? For 7 days. For how many days? For 7 days. 7 दिनों तक वो झाड़ को काट रहे थे. And the heap was huge. जो heap, उसका जो मलबा था, it was very huge. It was, heap means big pile. Insects and birds begin to leave the tree. और जो वो banyan tree पर जो insects and birds रहते थे, they started leaving the tree. वहाँ से वो जाना शुरू हो गए, because when they were cutting there was noise, and because of that they couldn't live there, so they started leaving the tree. They ran away from there, all the insects and birds. So ये बहुत बड़ा नुकसान था, क्योंकि वहाँ से लोग जा रहे थे, इंसेक्ट्स एंड बर्ड्स ये सब वहाँ से वो एरिया से निकल कर जा रहे थे, क्योंकि व्हेन यू डू डिफॉरेस्टेशन, आप जब झाड़ को काटते हो, नेचर को हार्म करते हो, तो इस तरह का आपको माइग्रेशन देखने को मिलता है. देन दे केम टू इट्स मैसिव ट्रंक. फर्स्ट दे रिमूव्ड इट्स ब्रांचेस. 7 days they were cutting it. Then they came to its massive trunk. Where is it massive? This one, this trunk, the big trunk. Massive, बहुत बड़ा. Trunk means the stem, जो उसका तना होता है, उसके पास आए. They wanted to cut it. 50 men with axes chopped and chopped. 50 men. How many men? 50 men. 50 आदमी with axes. Axes means कुल्हाड़ी. वो कुल्हाड़ी लेकर उसको काटने के लिए तैयार थे. And they were cutting it. I will show you the axe. This is the axe. With this they were cutting it. 50 men. So they chopped. Chop means cut into small pieces. They were ready to chop it down. The great tree revealed its rings of 200 years. When they were cutting it, this great tree, ये जो बहुत बड़ा झाड़ था, it started showing its rings of 200 years. इसका जो ring था, when they were cutting it, the ring of this trunk, it showed that it was 200 years old. कितने साल पुराना था? 200 साल पुराना ये झाड़ था. जब कट कर रहे थे तो उनको मालूम हुआ. We watched the terror in terror and fascination his slaughter. Then what happened? We means poet and his father and people, they were watching the slaughter. Slaughter means the cutting down of this tree. They were watching in terror. वो डरे हुए थे, and they were fascinated, they were enjoying also, they were surprised. वो आश्चर्यचकित थे, no, they were in terror and they were surprised. Why were they fascinated? Because they were very eager to know how they cut it. It's very common scene when you see when people come in village, they want to do something like municipality worker or some other people. So the whole village, especially kids, they gather. वो देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है. Same way we were watching that in terror and in fascination. As raw mythology reveals to us its age. Raw mythology revealed to us its age. Raw means the original state, revealed to us its age. So when they were cutting it, its original state revealed its age. Like you can go back, it was 200 years old. So the original state, mythology means its past revealed. It showed that, बताया, ट्री को देखकर ऐसा लगा कि this is very old, 200 years old. It's revealed its age, कि कितना पुराना है, इससे पता चल गया. Soon afterwards we left Baroda for Bombay. Soon afterwards, when they were cutting it or they cut it down, we went to Baroda. We left for Baroda from this village. Sorry, we left Baroda for Bombay. This tree was in Baroda in village. From there we went to Bombay. And you know Bombay, now it's called Mumbai. Mumbai, it's very crowded. It's called jungle of cement. There are so many buildings, trees are less. So Bombay is a symbol of modernization. You will find that there is modern atmosphere in Mumbai. You will find a cosmopolitan society. So from this Baroda village we went to Bombay. They migrated, they shifted. Where there are no trees except the one, its tree, T R E E S, a kind of a typing mistake. Yes, it's tree, H is extra, so trees. So where there are no trees except the one which grows and seethes in one's dream. So when they come to Mumbai, now they are talking here symbolically. Yeah, poet says that when we came to Bombay, हमने वहाँ क्या देखा? There were no trees, वहाँ पे झाड़ नहीं थे, but there was one tree. What was that tree? It's symbolic. वहाँ पे झाड़ नहीं थे, but वहाँ पर एक tree था. Which was that tree? Which grows and seethes in one's dream. Which grows. जो बड़ा हो रहा था, which was developing, and seething means moving widely and roughly. I have given the meaning here. Or when you are in a very emotional state. So यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, poet is nostalgic means वो याद कर रहा है वो बरगद ट्री को. वो मुंबई में आ गया, मुंबई में आने के बाद भी उसको उसके गांव की याद आ रही है. फ्रॉम बॉम्बे ही इज रिमेंबरिंग हिज प्लेस विलेज बड़ोडा एंड द ट्री. वाई? बिकॉज वॉट हैपन्स, नो, यू नेवर फॉरगेट योर रूट्स. आपका ओरिजिनल प्लेस, आपका ओरिजिनल स्टेट आप कभी नहीं भूलते हो. सेम थिंग इज हियर. ही सेज दैट इवन दैट ट्री वॉज कट, बट वेन दे केम टू मुंबई दे डिडंट हैव ट्रीज. बट एक झाड़ था, जो झाड़, इट वॉज नॉट फिजिकल वन, it was in their mind. Mind means the memory of that tree which was growing and seething, and it was not letting them at peace. उनको वो बहुत सता रही थी उनके दिमाग में. It was moving wildly and roughly in their mind. They were agitated, बहुत परेशान थे when they were thinking about that banyan tree. Its aerial roots, which tree's aerial roots, the tree which was in their mind, looking for ground to strike. And what was happening when they came to Mumbai? They had jobs, they had money, they had everything. But what happened? The aerial roots of the tree which was in their mind, मतलब उनके दिमाग में जो ट्री था, जो यादें थी, वो कोशिश कर रही थी कि वापस से मैं अपने गांव चले जाऊं, या वापस से मैं वो जो दिन थे, the past. Now he is nostalgic. He wants to go back to the village. He wants to remember his past. He wants to go and settle there for peace, because in city you hardly find peace. So this poem is about cutting down of an ancient tree, that's banyan tree, that stood in the yard of poet's ancestral house. उसके जो बुजुर्गों की जो घर था, उसके वहाँ पे एक कैंपस में एक झाड़ था, बरगद ट्री, बहुत बड़ा बरगद ट्री. The cutting down of the banyan seems to signify the cutting down of roots and movement to a different and more modern atmosphere, signified by the move to Bombay. So cutting down of this tree, what does it signify? It signifies that when you cut your roots from village, there are so many people. आज बहुत से लोग हैं जो गांव को छोड़कर सिटी में जाते हैं, मगर even if they are in city, वो आपके गांव को नहीं भूलते हैं. Same thing is here. बरगद tree, that banyan tree, reminds them of their past, of their beautiful presence in Baroda, reminds them of their peaceful atmosphere, opposite to this modern atmosphere. Thank you very much. Hope you understood this poem. If you have any question, you can post your question in the chat box. Thank you very much.